This is Paolo starting his beloved bike that he has been working on for more than 13 years. The base for the bike is 2003 ZXRR 636 version that he took the stock fairings off and all the bits that he didn't need. He sold those parts and used that money as a starting budget for his project. Almost everything on this bike is changed, from chassis, swing arm, brakes, electronics, injection system, fuel tank, rear subframe. Everything is either modified, taken from the other bike, or combination of the both. It has all been done mostly by Paolo, 90% by him, and with some help with some experts from different areas such as electronics, for example. But it's very important to note that it has been done on basically zero budget, or very tight one, let's say, and Paolo hasn't gone to school for any of the stuff, so he's self-taught. He learned how to weld, he learned how to do the electronics. He's just a passionate individual that loves motorcycling and that loves engineering, and has some great ideas that really made this project alive. He says that the bike is not finished yet, of course, but it's in a stage where he would like someone professional and fast to take it for a ride, to test it and give his honest opinion about what needs to be improved and overall if the project makes sense. And this is where I came to play, so enjoy the onboard. So, how does it ride? Does it all make sense, or is it for nothing? Did he waste his time? And as someone who just a couple of days ago rode a bike that forks are worth 3 times more than the Paolo's project, I needed to adjust my expectations a little bit and to shift the perspective in accordance to the budget and in accordance with everything. But the answer is no, it was not all for nothing, and the bike is really funny. It's interesting to ride and the project makes sense. Now have in mind, this is 2003 bike. It has quick shifter on, it has blipper on, it has a slipper clutch on. It's very nimble, it's very easy to ride, the brakes are quite well. So overall, it's a positive experience, and the thing that impressed me the most is that I was enjoying riding it lap after lap. I just wanted to do one more, and to explore different behaviors of the bike, to explore what can you do. And having that in mind, I was also quite fast, but I didn't want to crush man's lifetime project, so I need to be also very careful, which was tricky. But in the end, the lap time was quite good. I was happy with the handling, and Paolo was happy as well, because he saw that finally, after all this time that he put in the bike, it was not for nothing, and it made sense, and I saw that it made him really happy. I must say I'm quite honored and really proud that he gave me the trust to express my opinion, because I can be quite harsh with these things. He didn't want me to say something nice if I didn't mean it. He wanted me to give him the raw, brutal truth that I thought about the bike, and so I did. It for sure needs some improvements. For sure the bike would be better if you put better suspension on it. For sure the bike is not up to the modern standards of the Moto2 bike, but having the budget thing in mind, and having the in mind that he was the sole man working on the project, it's quite a positive experience, and I'm really happy that I could be a small part, or that I could assess the value that he brought to this bike. And I would really like to see more people with this kind of passion in their eyes, because I often find myself kind of lonely in this passion for motorsport, especially in Croatia. There's not many people that really love the sport. There are people that are doing the sport, but from, in my opinion, wrong reasons. But Paolo is like true motorsport fan, and similar like me, he made something out of nothing, and this is why we, I think, clicked, and we understand each other really well. So thanks once again to Paolo for the trust that he gave me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to go support Paolo, you can go on his Facebook page and like him there, or maybe message him if you want. He is a really down-to-earth guy. And if you like this video, please support my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you are sick and tired of me ranting and you just want to see me ride that as well, because these kind of videos take a bit more time to do, and if you don't like them, then it makes no sense to making them. And basically that's it. Hope you enjoyed it once again, and have a good day.